Dell Inspiron 3525. Unity System Solutions. Pros: plenty of ports, decent price to performance ratio, 120Hz display refresh rate. Processor: AMD Ryzen 75825U processor with Radeon graphics. Graphics: AMD Radeon graphics. Memory: 8GB DDR4 RAM. Hard drive: 512GB M2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. Color: platinum silver. Audio and speakers. Stereo speakers with Waves Max Audio Pro, 2W×2 equals 4W total. Operating system: Windows 11 Home. Finally, your laptop's packaging trays use 100% recycled paper, while other packaging components are comprised of up to 90% recycled materials. Display: 15.6 FHD 1920 by 1080, 120 Hz, WVA, non-touch, anti-glare, 250 nit, narrow border, LED backlit. Keyboard: English International non-backlit keyboard. The touchpad is too big for its own good, I think. Any amount of flex from the sides or pressure on the front of the frame will cause it to click and stay clicked until the pressure is removed. That it's very responsive and works well. Ryzen CPU is insane. The speed it manages to achieve while using such little power that the temperature never hits 60°C makes the laptop well worth the price just on its own. Boot up time from an encrypted disk is only a few seconds, and all my programs launch in an instant. Easy-to-use technology express charge capabilities minimize the time you spend tethered to an outlet and will recharge your battery up to 80% in 60 minutes, while Type-C port allows you to easily connect smaller devices to your laptop on the first try. Primary battery. 3-cell, 41 watt-hours, integrated. Battery life seems to be pretty good for web browsing and using Discord. HDMI 1.4. Maximum resolution supported over HDMI is 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz. Number 4K, 2K output.